Nah, I done grew up around some people living their life in bottles, claim that they have the golden flask, back up every day in Chicago. Some people like the way it feels, some people want to kill their sorrows.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to showing you how to make a very simplest and powerful 230 volts emergency light. Guys, this my third emergency light project. I already make another two of the emergency light project in my channel. Compare another two emergency light project. This one is very powerful. I will give the another two of the emergency light video link in this video description. Okay guys, today I present very simplest and powerful emergency light. This emergency light output volt is AC 230 volts. Remember guys, this project is based on high power AC voltage. Please handle very carefully. This emergency light I am using this DC to AC converter module. This module I purchased on Amazon. It's very cheap and powerful. I give the buy link in the video description. Okay guys, in this emergency light I am using 9 watts 230 volt LED chip. I will give the buy link in the video description. Remember guys, this emergency light working on 230 volt AC supply. Handle very carefully. And this emergency light project I am use 3 18650 battery and 3 SPMS module. And this project enclosure I am using this plastic box. And remember, I set up all SMD chip on unsafely. But you don't try to set up this SMD chip on this method. Using good enclosure and set up everything. Okay guys, now time to build. Here you can see guys, our emergency light project is completed. Now I turn off my workshop light and turn on our emergency light. You can see the powerful brightness. Let's test outdoor. Brightness is really good.